First, drag your sketch into the Illustrator. Resize the reference image while holding down the Shift and Alt keys on your keyboard. Let's center the reference image horizontally and vertically using a line panel like this. Next, I'll rename the first layer. And I'll lock the first layer. Now I'll create another layer. And I'll call it base color layer. Let's create one more layer. I'll call it details layer. And I'll lock the details layer and I'll select the base color layer. Next, grab the ellipse tool, and create a circle while holding down the Shift and Alt keys on your keyboard. Next, grab the selection tool, and swap the fill color to a stroke like this. Go to the ruler and drag a guideline like this. After placing your guideline like this, go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Give it a value, I'll give -22. And hit OK. I'll create 2 more circles using the same steps as before I used. Now let's select all the circles. And change stroke color to fill color like this. Go to Pathfinder panel. Click on the Divide option. Right-click on the circles like this and choose Ungroup. Now you have separate parts. So now let's add colors on it. OK, now select the red color circle. Go to Edit, Copy. Again go to Edit, paste in front 2 times. So now you have 3 different circles. Now move the front circle a little bit like this. And grab the Shape Builder tool. Now it will create a part like this. Let's give it a bit darker red. Now I'll lock the base color layer and I'll select the details layer. So now what we need to do, we need to create seeds. I'll create a seed first. Okay, now you have a seed. I'll place the seed like this. Grab the rotate tool. While holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, click on the center of the circle like this. Let's divide 360 by 19. It means we need 19 seeds around the circle. Hit copy. Now hit the letter D on your keyboard with the Control key. Let's do the same thing again. This time I'll divide 360 by 9. Okay, there you have it, everyone. This is how you can create watermelon in a simple way in Adobe Illustrator. So thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in another video like this. Be safe.